Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Holyton HT70. This is a brushless gimbal, brushless motor drone. It is over 250 grams, so make sure you're registered. Okay, enough being said about that. Let's get this thing set up. I'll show you how to do it. All right, first you open your arms first, the front arms first, back arms second. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, battery with the tab down, just like so, till it clicks. You do have a nice little lights or LED lights there, so it shows you if your battery's charged or not. So just long press that until your drone turns on, just like so. Set it on the ground, facing away from you. Okay, then you have your remote power button. Just press it there. Long press it. Okay, that's powered on. Let's give it a moment to get connected. We'll get our phone hooked to it. I'm going to be using my Redmi phone here. That's my go-to phone for my drones. So we do have a cable connection here, which is way better range. I like it. Get that in there just like so. Don't worry about the buttons because they've designed this nicely where you have a gap. Okay, they just need to plug it in. Just like so. Hope you can see that. Okay. And we're going to, should automatically open up once I unlock my phone. It's going to go to the drone app, just like that. Okay. Go into settings. Location got to be turned on. So turn on location, then you can go back. Okay. Then we can hit controls. Alright, then you want to go into settings for your first time. And you can see you have the beginner mode I have shut off. You can go into your max altitude and your auto return to home. Your calibrations are right here. So you can let's do a compass calibration. Okay, so we're gonna turn the drone just like so. Okay, then camera up, same thing, counterclockwise.
Compass calibration successful.
Compass calibration successful. All right. Then you could also do your gyro calibration. Let's go ahead and do that just by hitting that button. You can see the lights flashing. Gyro calibration is okay now, so we're ready to fly. As long as we have satellites, and we do. So okay, we have some breeze. I'll look at the trees, maybe you can see it, the grass, see it blowing. So we're going to test its wind resistance. Going to do a little bit of sorry, let me start over. I'm going to take a couple pictures and then a little bit of video, and then try a return to home or 2 or 3. We'll see what we have time for. But anyway, without further ado, let's start this thing up by going down into the middle. Unlock the motors and then press up on the throttle. Wow, look at that. It's gonna lock into the GPS. Wind's blowing it around a little bit right at the moment. It is windy though, my goodness. Give it a chance to get locked in. There we are, okay. It's in camera mode, so it's going to be a little bit slow. I'm going to go ahead and take it up to sport mode by hitting the speed button. Okay, there we have it. All right, let's get this thing up in the air a little ways. That is a cool looking drone. It does have rubber feet. I think I told you, but it's got a 3-axis brushless gimbal on it too. Look at those birds. See if I can't get a snapshot of those. I'll take a little video. Okay, the video started. I'm gonna do a slow 360. Whoops, I'm going sideways there. Let me change it back to camera mode so it's not so fast. Do a slow 360. It is extra breezy today. Drone's holding its own though. It's moving it a little, but it's fighting it. It's doing its job. Alright, I don't know if you can see that on my phone there. That looks really good. It's a good quality camera. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video. Oh, I guess I didn't have the video started. Alright, now we're gonna do a slow 360 again. Sometimes I have issues. Please bear with me. I'll do the best I can. Alright. Okay, so I'll go ahead and stop the video now. And take a couple more snapshots just in case I didn't get one. Alright, there's one. Let me look back into the other field. Lots of fields out here. Okay, there we go. Alright, now I'm going to cruise it around a little bit there. Go back in sports mode. A little more altitude. Let's cruise. Oh, that's cool. Hey, it's holding its own, guys, through the wind. There's some good winds today. Once again, this is the HT70 Holy Ton drone. Whoa, wind. Wind is carrying it away.
Return home.
Come back here, drone. Okay, it's coming back. I'm gonna do this one and then I'm gonna call it a day because I just about lost it in that high wind. Alright, it's turning around. It's gonna attempt to land.
Stop, return home, land.
That's cool. It turns around, comes back. Wow, look how close it is to the pad. Go ahead and stop it so I don't land in the grass, but that's pretty close. It was closer than 6 feet from the pad. And that wind is crazy up there, so I'm not going to do any more high flying with it. I'll take a couple little laps around here low. Get into a wind stream up there. Very cool looking drone. Smooth, stable flyer. Look at that. Very cool. Alright, let's see if I can hit the landing pad. We're back on camera mode, so it's a little slower in motion. Turning off the landing pad. I usually have no problem, but today the wind is bothering us. Alright, there we have it, guys, the HT70. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.